So it is given that y equals x squared plus x plus 1 over x minus 1, where for all real values of x and x not equal to 1. Without using a calculator, find a set of values that y can take. So without using a calculator means that we can't use our GC to find the values based on the graph. So we have to solve it using algebraic method. Alright, so for question 2, first we'll write out the equation. Y equals x squared plus x plus 1 over x minus 1 for all real values of x and x not equal to 1. Alright, so to find the set of values that y can take, it basically means that all your x values has to be real. Alright, so first we'll do a cross multiplication. We have xy minus y equals x squared plus x plus 1. Then we will shift everything to one side, leaving a 0 on the other side. Okay, the next step we want to do is factorize out all our x so that we will have it in a quadratic form. Alright, now we have our x squared term, our x term, and our constant term. To find the values of that y can take, we have to let our x values be real. Alright, so for that to happen, our discriminant, which is our b squared minus 4ac, alright, has to be greater or equal to 0 for x to be real. Okay, so our b squared minus 4ac, now I'll sub it in. Our b is 1 minus y squared minus 4a, a will be 1, and c will be 1 plus y. Alright, so now our job is to solve this inequality. First I'll expand this 1 minus y bracket square. I'll have 1 minus 2y plus y square minus 4 minus 4y. Okay, then from here I can simplify it. Negative 2y and negative 4y, I'll have negative 6y. 1 minus 4, I'll have negative 3. Alright, so up to this step, how do we solve this inequality? We have to factorize it. We can use complete the square method. So we will have y minus 3 bracket square. Alright, and we have to minus off 12. So now we have completed the square. We have bracket y minus 3 square minus 12. So we can use a square minus b square to factorize this. So if we treat y minus 3 as our a, alright, then we will plus root 12, and here we will have minus root 12. Okay, now we have factorized this. Something to note is that the square root 12 can be further simplified. So from here we will have 2 root 3, and y minus 3 will minus 2 root 3. Alright, now to solve this inequality, since we have the two factors already, since the y square coefficient is positive, I'll draw a smiley curve. Now we find the two roots. This root will be 3 minus 2 root 3, and this root will be 3 plus 2 root 3. So this will be the larger root, 3 plus 2 root 3. Here will be 3 minus 2 root 3. Since it is greater or equal to 0, the region that we are interested in is here and here. Okay, so our y values can only take y less than equals to 3 minus 2 root 3, or y greater or equal to 3 plus 2 root 3. Okay, even though the question asks for the set of values that y can take, Cambridge generally accepts if we just provide the range of y. Alright, so these two range will be the answer.